Look at the state of this. A coastal weatherboarded property that's in need of some love. Replacing entire sections of timber is cost prohibitive, so Repair Care's Dryflex 4 is going to be seriously put through its paces. Dryflex 4 is a high-performance, durable wood repair product designed for permanent repairs to wood surfaces. Ideal for repairing timber with rot, cracks and holes, the plan is it'll avoid the need for costly new doors and sections of timber. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it effectively. First up, remove damaged wood. Use appropriate tools to remove all rotten, loose or decayed wood and ensure only solid, dry wood remains. We recommend using Repair Care's Dryfix Uni on the prepared area to stabilise the wood fibres and improve adhesion of the Dryflex 4. People ask if they can use any dosing gun. The answer is a big no, actually. Please use the Repair Care EasyQ high-performance dosing gun as it will release the correct amount of each part. Mix until the product has a uniform colour and consistency with no streaks. Using the spatula, apply the mixed Dryflex 4 to the prepared area. Press it firmly into the repair site to ensure good adhesion and to eliminate air pockets. Smooth the surface, shaping the product as required to match the original profile of the wood. You can also overfill slightly if necessary, as you will be sanding it down later. Dryflex 4 has a working time of around 20 to 25 minutes at 20 degrees. Curing time can vary based on temperature and humidity, but you're looking at around 4 hours. Use sandpaper to smooth the surface of the repair. Start with a coarser grit to shape the repair, then move to finer grits to achieve a smooth finish. Apply a suitable wood primer over the repaired area to prepare for painting. We've gone from this to this. Quite a transformation, and safe in the knowledge that our Dryflex 4 repairs will remain solid for years to come. As always, if you need further help, the Wood Care experts are at the end of the phone on 01303 477 555.